Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the iTeach channel. And today we're going to have a vlog. And we are here at Paradise Garden Hotel at GP 370. We're going to look kung ano yung nasa loob ng kanilang mga rooms. And this is a deluxe room. So, pagpasok mo, mayroon ka kaagad makikita na wardrobe. Ayan. Nakita nyo naman, may vault. Then, mayroon siyang what do you call that?
Drawer.
At another one, meron. So,
Wow,
maganda.
free tayo.
Yeah. Kapag maulan, then may pantry. Mayroon siyang fridge na maliit. And, syempre, ready na ang coffee.
Wow, may free.
Yeah. I don't know if it's free. I think they're going to.
Hindi pa magtutour sa
Ang
CR.
pinakamaganda sa lahat, mayroon siyang, wow, full body mirror. And then take a look. Ang ganda-ganda ng kanilang bed. So they have the lampshade. And then, meron din silang TV. At meron din silang later pag nag-coffee. Pasensya na kayo guys. Medyo maano na, makalat. And then, they have their
Vanity.
vanity. Ayan. May another drawer. So, ang ganda. Then, aside from two beds, ito, ang ganda ng kanilang labas. Kasi they have their balcony. Woo! Look! Ayan. So, ang ganda din ng kanilang upuan. Okay. I don't know kung magkano to kasi libre lang to. So, thank you sa mga donors and sponsors. Okay. And there you have it, guys. Meron na kayong info about sa loob ng rooms ng Paradise Garden Hotel. So, see you next time in our next vlog.